In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your hosting and name servers in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new website or making changes to an existing one, you'll find this guide incredibly helpful. So let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. To start, we'll begin by navigating to the Hostinger website. Open up your web browser and type in www.hostinger.ph. This is the homepage where you can easily bring your ideas online by setting up a website. Once you're there, you should see a login button in the upper right corner of the page. Give that a click. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you already have an account, simply enter your email and password. In case you're new to Hostinger, you'll need to create an account first. The sign-up process is straightforward and requires just a few minutes to complete. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger control panel, often referred to as the H panel. It's a centralized location where you can manage all your web hosting needs. From here, go ahead and click on the Home tab. This will bring you to an overview of all your hosting services. It's a great place to gain a snapshot view of your current setup. Now, look for the Domain Manager section. This is where the next steps take place. You should see a Manage button next to the domain you're interested in. Click on it to delve into more detailed settings and configurations specific to your domain. Once you're in the domain management area, locate the DNS/name servers option. It's usually positioned on the left side or within a sub-menu. Selecting this option will allow you to access the current DNS settings associated with your domain. It's an important hub for directing your web traffic to the right location. Within the DNS settings, you'll find the Change Name Servers button. Click on it and this will enable you to modify the name servers directing your domain. The page will display a set of current name servers. If you need to make changes, either add new name servers or replace the existing ones, this is the place to do it. Congratulations, you've now successfully navigated through the process of accessing and managing your hosting and name servers. This was a brief look at how you can take control of your domain settings through Hostinger, empowering you to make necessary adjustments whenever needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider checking out more of our content to further expand your website management skills. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy web hosting.